Is Blender good for beginners? What is Blender software? Who uses Blender? Is Blender used by professionals? Which company is currently using Blender? And what is the key features of Blender 3D animation software? In this video I will tell you every important information relative to these questions. But if you want to learn a particular topics which are included in this video, then please look at the time index which are given below in the description. May you live long, may God bless you with every possible success. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Akib Ajaz and you are watching official animated YouTube channel. Question number 1 is, what is Blender? Welcome to Blender, the free and open source 3D creation software. Blender can be used to create 3D visualizations such as still images, 3D animations, VFX shots and video editing. Blender is well suited to individuals and small studios who benefit from its unified pipeline and responsive development process. Blender is a cross-platform application which running on Linux, macOS and Windows operating systems. Blender also has relatively small memory and drive requirements compared to other 3D creation softwares. Its interface uses OpenGL to provide a consistent experience across all supported hardware and platforms. Question number 2 is Blender good for beginners? I started learning Blender about 1 year ago with no prior 3D modeling experience. The software does have a relatively high learning curve initially, but learning it from scratch is very doable, even for complete beginners. Learning the program will take time, but it's very possible. So if you have no idea about 3D, then don't worry. It is not too much difficult and also it is not too much easy. But I am sure if you are linked with this channel, then trust me, it is not too much difficult and I will describe every concept in the easiest way as I have found it. So please do subscribe, like and ask me something. Question number 3. Who uses Blender? Blender has a wide variety of tools making it suitable for almost any sort of media production. People and studios around the world use it for hobby projects, commercials and feature films. Blender software can be used to build 3D games for mobiles and for personal computers. Blender is also used by professionals and amateurs to build high quality 3D objects and animations. So if you want to work with 3D objects and you are interested in Blender 3D animation software, then you must have to learn how to use Blender. Question number 4. Is Blender used by professionals? Blender is the top ranking 3D animation software in terms of use in the industry. Blender is used in the industry but not as widely as other softwares. Blender tends more often to be used by freelancers and small studios, but professionals. Top quality work is done with Blender. So in this sense, it's industry but not standard. Question number 5. Which company is currently using Blender? There are 25 popular industries are currently using Blender for their projects and maintain their reputations. Gameloft, GSP companies, Infopark, Studio Gobo as Gobi for optics, lighting and theater, and Frontier Developments, etc. These are the names of the most popular companies which are currently using Blender 3D animation software. Question number 6. What is the key features of Blender? Blender is a fully integrated 3D content creation software, offering a broad range of essential tools including modeling, rendering, animation and rigging, video editing, VFX, compositing, texturing and many types of simulations. If you don't know what I am saying, then please wait and watch other videos about relative topics. It is cross-platform with an OpenGL graphical user interface that is uniform on all major platforms and customizable with Python scripts. It has a high-quality 3D architecture, enabling fast and efficient creation workflow. It boasts active community support. It has a small executable which is optionally portable. Blender makes it possible to perform a wide range of tasks, and it may seem daunting when first trying to grasp the basics. However, with a bit of motivation and the right learning material, it is possible to familiarize yourself with Blender after a few hours of practice. This channel is good for starting to advance. There are also many online video tutorials from specialized websites. Despite everything Blender can do, it remains a tool. Great artists do not create masterpieces by pressing buttons or manipulating brushes, but by learning and practicing subjects such as human anatomy, compositing, lighting, animation and principles, etc. 3D creation software such as Blender have an added technical complexity and jargon associated with the underlying technologies. Terms like UV maps, materials, shaders, meshes, and subdivs are the media of the digital artist, and understanding them, even broadly, will help you to use Blender to its best. So keep watching this channel's video for Learn Blender 3D, the great tool that Blender is. Keep your mind open to other artistic and technological areas, and you too can become a great artist. So with this information I will have to go and we will meet in next videos, but please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and ask any questions below in the comment box. I will give you your answer as soon as possible, inshallah.